Hello, this is Ben Whyles at Agri-Linc at Bourne. I'm just going to give you a quick view around the Rexius Twin 450. Now this one is exceptionally good on the frame. As you can see, it's not been abused on the drawbar in the normal place where they get damaged, which is just here beside the ram, and the frame is looking exceptionally clean. We've got the 3-row Raptor Tine, staggered Raptor Tines on there. The main thing that lets this press down is there is some appreciable wear on the rings, particularly in the middle gang there. You'll see on that back row middle gang, those rings are getting down. The rest of them are okay, and you could still put this press to work and get some good useful life out of it, but in due course it's going to need some new rings. As you would know, they're fairly expensive. We do stock them here, non-genuine rings, which are a good saving on genuine ones, and they are also the ductile rings, so we can price up what it would cost to change these, but this is a Rexius Twin that will be well worth the investment of new rings, and no doubt if it doesn't sell as it is, our workshops will be tackling it in due course and making it into an extremely smart press with a new set of rings. But hope this gives you a good overview of it. Thoroughly recommend it in terms of the quality of the frame. Thanks for watching.